Hello! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this smartband. First we need to wake up the screen on our smartband, and we can do it by tapping on the screen. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Then scroll down through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called vibration and tap on it. And here we have the vibration intensity option. Tap on it. And we have two options. We have enhanced and standard. Select the one you like. And once you're done, you can swipe right on the screen to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.